Hi, this is Heidi from Garden Crossings in the greenhouse today, and I am planting up our combinations that we'll be using out in front of the greenhouse. I am using the Crescent Self Watering Planters. Here we've got 22-inch planter, and this is something that only needs to be watered every 2 to 3 weeks. Depends what plants you put into it, but we won't need to refill this for up to 3 weeks. So if those of you who will go on vacation or have a cottage and you love to have plants but you're worried about who's going to care for them while you're gone, this is a perfect solution to that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a really quick filling of this planter. We are going to use the Proven Winner flower pillows. So this is a beautiful combination of 3 different plants. We've got the Supertunia Royal Velvet, the Super Bells Great Punch, and then there's also the Supertunia Bordeaux in this combination. So basically what a flower pillow is it's basically like a glorified tea bag. I'm not going to ruffle it or anything. I'm just going to take this and set it in the dirt. So I'm going to set it in the dirt, kind of pushing it down a little bit and then putting the dirt around the edges, like so. And these flower pillows, one flower pillow will fill out a 12 to 14-inch container. Since my container is quite a bit larger, I'm using 5 of these in my container. So we'll go ahead and just kind of set it in there, put the dirt around it like so. The centerpiece that I'm using in this combination is the Pennisetum Fireworks grass. This is going to get bright red, so I think that'll look really pretty this summer. And then as just a little accent, I'm going to try the Sedum Lemon Coral. I think that'll add a bright splash of color to the container. I'm not sure how sedum will do in a self-watering pot because it's going to get, a lot of water. So I'm just going to do a little trial on that to see how this goes. So I think this container is all ready for heading out to the landscape. And if you are looking for an easy solution to your vacations and want a planter that will do the job while you're gone, come to Garden Crossings, check out our Crescent Self-Watering Planters, and we have all different sizes available, so something that will fit any budget. This is Heidi from Garden Crossings.